Vitacam is medical software developed for healthcare professionals as well as home users under their guidance to gather, report, and review vital signs data. The system utilizes standard digital cameras such as webcams and smartphone cameras to measure a person's respiratory rate, pulse, and heart rhythm optically. In addition to camera-based measurements, the Vitacam mobile apps can also collect measurements from other sources, such as thermometers or blood pressure monitors. With the help of advanced computer vision algorithms and face detection, the system maps out the face and chest area of a person in the camera view. Points of interest are then identified, such as key landmarks on the chest and exposed skin in suitable areas of the face. Respiratory rate values are calculated by tracking the identified chest landmarks as they move during inhalation and exhalation, similar to the traditional way of a nurse counting breaths by watching the patient's chest. Pulse measurements are extracted by tracking the slight color changes of the face caused by the circulation of pulsatile blood. The method is based on photoplethysmography, as used in fingertip pulse oximeters. Unlike wearable devices, however, the signal is obtained without physical contact by analyzing changes in video color channels. Heart rhythm is automatically derived from the statistical analysis of the intervals between heartbeats. We'll soon add oxygen saturation too. Vitacam is available both for mobile devices and the PC. On a PC, Vitacam Triage is intended for real-time monitoring of a patient through live stream video, while the suite of Vitacam mobile apps produce measurements from a short video clip recorded using a mobile device's inbuilt camera and sent to the cloud for processing. In this video, we will be covering the Vitacam Care application. Developed for vital signs measurements on the go, the application is designed for professional nurses and carers caring for a group of patients. In addition to video measurements, other vital signs values can also be manually recorded and subsequently viewed for any patient saved in the system. Due to its flexible deployment, Vitacam Care can go where traditional solutions cannot. The application can be used as a portable measuring and recording device for a variety of purposes, such as hospital ward rounds and portable clinics, assisted living, and early screening purposes. The processed results are returned to the Care application for viewing. Depending on the configuration, results can also be written directly to patient record. The front page of the Care application consists of two main buttons, the first of which leads to the client list. The list contains all clients registered in the system as well as a summary of the client's latest measurement results. If the application has been configured to use an early warning score system, the results are also color-coded accordingly. A watch icon by the patient's name informs that new results have been processed and are ready for review. By selecting a client from the list, you can view their individual client page. We will take a closer look at the client page in a moment. The second main button leads to the user profile. The profile contains general information as well as the application's notification and sound settings. The lower part of the front page contains a summary of the general health status of all the clients in the system who have been assigned to the user. Clients sorted by their result into the red color-coded acute zone require attention the most urgently. The first button in the bottom bar is for notifications. When the icon changes, a new notification has been received. If the notification concerns a particular client, tapping the notification leads to the client's page directly. The question mark icon leads to the application's support page. Here one can find a short user guide, frequently asked questions, and troubleshooting answers, as well as basic information about the version of Vitacam Care. The last button in the bottom bar is the logout button. Next, let's take a look at the client page. The client page showcases a vertical overview of all recently conducted measurements and a shared total warning score for all eligible recent vital signs values. All vital signs also display their individual measurement time, measurement value, and a color-changing icon. A blue color accompanied with an empty value means no recent results for a particular vital sign are available, whereas a magenta color identifies an unsuccessful measurement, often caused by a poor quality source video. A new measurement can be initiated by pressing the Take Measurements button at the top of the client page. This leads to the measurement page, where values can be added manually or gathered through a new Vitacam video measurement. The status of each vital parameter is once again identified with its designated color. The top of the measurement view is reserved for the Vitacam video measurement. After confirming which vital signs the measurement should be conducted for, the application opens to a real-time camera view accompanied by step-by-step instructions for conducting a measurement. Proceed as follows when measuring. Guide the client to a sitting or semi-upright position so that the device's back camera is directed at the subject, with the face and chest area placed within the silhouette on screen. The application will notify when a person has been detected, or if adjustments to positioning or lighting need to be made. Instruct the client to stay still and avoid talking. When ready, press the Record Video button and keep the device still. After 30 seconds, the video is finished and ready for viewing. The video can be either discarded or approved and sent for processing by pressing Send Video. Pressing the button returns the application to the measurement page, where the video measurement status updates accordingly. Record any accompanying manual values and proceed to Send Measurements. At this stage, the application will inform you of any missing or out-of-ordinary values. Sending the values returns you to the client page. As in the earlier view, you can see the progress of the video upload and subsequent processing above the measurement button. When the processing is complete, the server returns the calculated results to the application. Recent measurements can be modified for 30 minutes, meaning mistakes can be corrected or missing values added. Simply press the measurement button again, which now reads Update Recent Measurements to do so. Remember to submit any changes made. This concludes the Vitacam Care tutorial. More information can be found through the in-app support page and tutorial, or by visiting the vitacam.health website.